What can I use instead of NeilMed Sinus Rinse? Directions. Mix 3 heaping teaspoons of salt with 1 rounded teaspoon of baking soda and store in a small Ziplock bag. Add 1 teaspoon of the mixture to 8 ounces 1 cup of lukewarm distilled or boiled water. Use less to make a less concentrated salt solution if burning or stinging is experienced. Product details. NeilMed Sinus Rinse. This product is used to cleanse and relieve nasal passages affected by nasal allergies, dryness and hay fever, sinus pressure and nasal stuffiness, nasal symptoms from flu and cold and nasal irritation from occupational and house dust, fumes, animal dander, grass, pollen, smoke, etc. It has custom-designed cap that comfortably fits any nasal opening. It is excellent for cleansing prior to use of nasal spray medications. It is suitable for use after sinus surgery or during pregnancy. Consult your physician with concerns and can be used as a pH-balanced and isotonic solution with 1 packet, or a hypertonic solution with 2 packets. This product is drug-free and preservative-free. The easy squeeze bottle system allows you to deliver saline solution with positive pressure to clean the nasal passages thoroughly, while maintaining your head in an upright position. You have complete control of the pressure and volume of solution, ensuring a gentle, soothing and therapeutic experience. Daily rinsing is safe and will keep your nasal passages clean, healthy and open. All natural sinus relief. Soothing saline nasal rinse. pH balanced. Rinse prior to corticosteroid nasal spray. The original and patented kit. Nasal symptoms from flu and cold. Nasal congestion. Nasal allergies. 50 pre-mixed packets. Replace bottle every 3 months. Use warm solution. Squeeze bottle and 50 pre-mixed packets. Contents: 1 240 ml 8 ounces. Directions. Instructions. Kit includes 1 rinse bottle 240 ml 8 fluid ounces. 1 custom designed black cap and tube. 50 pre-mixed packets of USP-grade, purity level 99% or higher, sodium chloride and sodium bicarbonate mixture, pH-balanced, natural ingredients, isotonic, preservative and iodine-free. Educational brochure with directions for use and warnings.